Please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering concepts. In this video lecture, I will explain you complete reinforcement details of G+1 building for real-time projects. So basically the reinforcement values are depends upon the two factors. One is loading condition as well as your grade of the concrete. So I was already explained the concepts which are related to the loading condition as well as your grade of the concrete in my previous video, which is related to the ground story reinforcement details. Please check that video. I will provide you that video link in above card link and below description of this respected video. So basically before going to explaining the reinforcement details for the G+1 building, initially we need to fix the dimensions of the concrete members which are related to the column sections, beam sections, slab sections as well as your foundation section. So as per the standards, if you want to construct any one of the building which is related to the ground story model, basically we will consider 12 inches cross 9 inches is the size of the column, and beam sizes will be approximately equal to 12 inches cross 9 inches, same as the column size. And also plinth beam section is also consisting of 12 inches cross 9 inches. Otherwise you can provide it as 9 inches cross 9 inches depending upon the loading condition as well as your grade of the concrete. So slab thickness will be approximately equal to 120 mm, and we need to consider the dimensions of the foundation is 4 feet cross 4 feet cross 4 feet. 4 feet is the length, 4 feet is the width as well as your 4 feet is the depth of the foundation. Now I will explain you complete reinforcement details of G+1 building. So in that, first one is foundation design. For construction of any kind of the building which is related to the ground story model, basically we will provide the dimensions of the foundation is 4 feet cross 4 feet cross 4 feet. So for that respected 4 feet cross 4 feet length width foundation, we need to provide 16 mm bars in horizontal direction as well as we need to provide 16 mm bars in vertical direction for the mesh. Okay, so the center to center distance between the each bar in each direction which is related to vertical direction as well as your horizontal direction, basically we will consider it as 5 inches. Okay, we need to provide horizontal bars as well as vertical bars for the mesh for the foundation section, and we need to consider the 5 center to center distance between the each bar in each direction for 4 feet cross 4 feet. Okay, so now I will explain the reinforcement details for this respected column section. So if you want to construct any one of the building which is related to the G+1 model, basically we will consider the dimensions of the column is 12 inches cross 9 inches. So for this respected 12 inches cross 9 inches cross section column, basically we will provide 6 number of bars. Okay, so we need to consider the 12 mm size as well as your 16 mm size. Basically we will take 16 mm size as the corner reinforcement values as well as we need to consider the 12 mm bars for the center reinforcement value. But if you want to increase the strength more than this respected values, basically some people will provide 8 number of bars which is consisting of 16 mm in corner reinforcement as well as they will provide center bars which is consisting of 12 mm bars. Okay, so but as per the considerations of G+1 building, 6 bars is sufficient for construction of G+1 structure, and 16 mm bars is the corner one and 12 mm bars is the center one. Okay, and stirrups will be consisting of 8 mm which is having 6 center to center distance in each bar for the column section. So 8 mm bars is the stirrups reinforcement section with the 6 center to center distance, and we need to take the 0.35 mm is the minimum cover for the construction of any kind of the building which is related to the G+1 model. We will consider for 12 inches cross 9 inches column. Okay, so now I will explain you the reinforcement details for the beam section. Okay, so initially I will explain you the reinforcement details for plinth beams. After that I will explain you reinforcement details for the beam section. So basically for construction of any kind of the building which is having 2 floor section, basically we will take 12 inches cross 9 inches is the dimensions of your respected plinth beam section. So as per the M20 grade concrete and Fe 500 grade steel provisions, we need to take 6 number of bars. So we need to provide 3 number of bars at the top reinforcement and we need to provide 3 number of bars at the bottom reinforcement, and the diameter of the bar basically we will consider it as 12 mm size. So basically we will provide 3 number of bars at top reinforcement section and 3 number of bars at bottom reinforcement section, and we will consider the cover as 35 mm. Okay, so this is the reinforcement details for the plinth beam section. So along with this respected section, basically we will consider the stirrups. So stirrups will be consisting of 8 mm bar size, and we need to place the stirrups at a distance of 6 center to center distance. Okay, so this is the reinforcement values for the plinth beam section. Now I will explain you reinforcement values for the beam section. So we need to take the 6 number of bars basically as similar to your respected plinth beam section, and we need to place 3 number of bars in the top reinforcement section, and we need to place 3 number of bars in the bottom reinforcement section, so which is equals to 6 number of bars. Along with this respected 6 number of bars, we need to provide cracked bars additionally 2 or 3 bars depending upon the loading condition and depending upon the grade of the consideration. So as per the grade of M20 grade and FE 500 grade steel, it is sufficient to provide 2 number of cracked bars for beam sections, okay, which is having the dimensions of 12 inches cross 9 inches. Okay, so this respected value will be sufficient for G+1 building design considerations. Okay, so now I will explain you the slab reinforcement details for construction of any kind of the building. So basically for construction of any kind of the building, we will provide slab as 5 inches, okay, which is approximately equal to 120 mm. Okay, so for this respected beam sections, we need to provide the diameter of the bars is 10 mm size as well as your 8 mm size. So basically we will take the main reinforcement bar size which is having 10 mm size, and we will take the distribution reinforcement bar size which is equals to 8 mm size. Okay, so we will take the 10 mm bars in main distribution section, which is having the center to center distance between the each bar is 5 inches or 6 inches depending upon the considerations, and we need to take the center to center distance between the bars for the distribution having the diameter as 8 mm. We need to take the 8 center to center distance for each bar for the slab reinforcement section. Okay, so this is the reinforcement values for construction of any kind of the building which is related to the G+1 structure. Basically it will be depends upon the two types of conditions. One is loading condition and another one is grade of the concrete. So for construction of any kind of the building, basically for foundation we will take 16 mm dia bars, and the center to center distance between the each bar is 5 inches for longitudinal section as well as your lateral section. For column section, basically we will consider 16 mm bars is the corner bar section and 12 mm bars is the center bar section, and we will consider the stirrups as 8 mm bars with 6 center to center distance, and we need to consider the plinth beam reinforcement section also, which is approximately equal to 3 bars at the top reinforcement section and 3 bars at the bottom reinforcement section, and 8 mm bars is the size of the stirrups, and center to center distance between the each stirrup basically we will consider it as 6 inches. Okay, so and we need to consider the slab thickness which is approximately equal to 120 mm, which is equals to 5 inches. Basically we will consider main reinforcement which is equals to 10 mm bars with 5 center to center distance, otherwise you can provide it as 6 center to center distance depending upon the loading condition, and we will consider the distribution bars which is equals to 8 mm with 8 center to center distance. This respected reinforcement values will be applicable only for 2-story building and having the M20 grade concrete and FE 500 grade steel. If you have any queries about this respected video, please text me your questions in the below comment box. I will try to give the answer for that respected question. Thank you.